Hey guys, alright, so this video is dedicated to my Aunt Marcia with a sick and twisted sense of humor. She said she wanted plenty of rain videos, people getting caught in the rain and things like that. Well, we are in the rain. So we got to this campsite called Cloud Pond campsite last night. Like just in the nick of time. Like it was sprinkling a little bit and we're like, oh my god. And of course, getting here, oh my god, there was like it was such an ordeal. We're gonna have to be really careful getting back to the trail from here because it's like it's 0.4 miles from the AT of just like these rocks that, I mean, it's a slip hazard, basically. Like it's gonna be interesting. But anyway, so the campsite is really beautiful, but let me just show you what we're looking at right now in the way of witness. It's great. Look at that. But look at this beauty. So yeah, now when we woke up this morning, we understand why they call it Cloud Pond Campsite. And there's my man doing his man stuff. Woo! And we're making breakfast right now. Chad's got his oatmeal. I think my stuff is gonna be done pretty soon. Oh god, hopefully you guys saw that. All right, well, Marcia, here you go. I am being tortured. We're wet and gross. Oh yeah, my puffy jacket is very wet, which is really bad. And oh yeah, I didn't mention the tent. Woo. So the tent, luckily we stayed dry last night for the most part in our sleeping bags and on our blow up, like these little blow up mattresses. But everything under us, the bottom of our tent was like covered in water. So like Chad, we had some clothes and stuff on the floor of the tent. They are like wet dish rags right now. They're so bad. So hopefully we're like praying for some sun later. And yeah, we're just gonna have to keep on moving in this. Like we gotta pack everything up wet, put everything into our packs and just make it work. Just get to the next place. We've got 2.5 more days out here of hard, oh yeah, am I gonna say that, of not the easiest hiking to go. Yeah, pray for us. We can't wait to get to Bonside. It's rolling. Hey.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
It is it's our first really rainy morning. We're at the Cloud Pond shelter. And how are you feeling right now, babe?
Okay.
Yeah. All right. And what mile are we at overall?
I think 95.3. So today we'll cross over 100 miles.
Okay, cool. So let's show the people what they want. I'm gonna show them what they want. So this is Cloud Pond campsite. It's really pretty. I'm trying to zoom in a little bit.
There's a pond over there. You just can't see it.
Oh yeah, you can't
Last
really
night
see
it was great.
Yeah, I know, it was gorgeous. We came over here and so somebody had like the prime camp spot up under the trees and they're like, oh yeah, you guys want this one right here. It's like the most, and we're like, oh okay, cool.
Where the puddles are.
Look at it, where the puddles are. So this is us in the morning. We're like we're a couple of drowned rats. It's great. Later on today it's supposed to stop doing whatever this is and dry out, hopefully. All right, is there any words of wisdom you would like to share with our friends and family?
I have no words of wisdom today.
Okay. My words of wisdom would be, if you think that hiking the Appalachian Trail sounds cool, just remember this video. Just remember this video. Adios.
2,670 feet.